Hello and welcome to Flow with Ali. Today I'll be breaking down a sun salutation, which you'll see in most Vinyasa yoga classes. You'll get a breakdown of a Vinyasa flow and the ways you can modify it during a full yoga class. We'll get started with a very quick warm-up from a kneeling position with your hips over your heels. Crawl your hands out long in front of you and rest your forehead down on your mat. Allow your hips to gently open as they sink down over your heels. Start to tune into your breath. Vinyasa links breath to movement, moving with every inhale and every exhale. Let's begin. Rise up to tabletop. On an inhale, allow your belly to dip down, lift your chest, chin, send your heart forward, cow pose. Exhale, lower your head, round your spine, create a dome shape with the top of your back. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose, press the mat away. Take a couple cycles just like this, your pace. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. And then return to tabletop. Find some free movement here to get some movement in the body. This could mean some barrel rolls with your rib cage or sending your hips side to side. Take a breath in here, breath out, send your hips up, downward facing dog. Press through your hands, create a long spine. Draw your heels down toward the mat, and you can pedal it out to get comfortable here, deeply bending through one knee and then the other, maybe coming up high onto your toes. And then settle into stillness. Inhale, look forward between your thumbs. Exhale, take a couple steps forward. Take your feet just to the backs of your wrists. Let your knees bend a little or a lot. Grab for opposite elbows. Hang heavy in ragdoll. You can take some gentle sways side to side here if that feels good in your body. Just loosening up your spine here before we start to move. Exhale, release your hands to the mat in a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Send the crown of your head forward. Bring your hands to your shins, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, slowly rise up to mountain pose Tadasana. Stack your head over your shoulders, over your hips. Take a moment to breathe here in mountain pose. Inhale, circle your arms out to the side. Lift them up to frame your ears, gaze up to your fingers. Exhale, draw your hands through heart center, forward fold, slight bend in your knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands deep, bend in your knees. Inhale, step your feet back to a plank pose, body in one long line from the crown of your head to your heels. Option here to drop your knees to the mat for a modified plank pose. Breath in. On your exhale, lower yourself all the way down to your belly. Keep your elbows hugged in tight to your rib cage, to the sides of your body. Tops of your feet rest down on the mat, chin, chest, touch down. Inhale, use your back strength to peel your chin and chest up off the mat. Slide your hands forward so your forearms are pressing down into the floor. Lift your chest. Sphinx pose, the most gentle back bend option for your vinyasa. Take a big breath in, pull your heart forward. Exhale, bow your head down, slide your hands back under your shoulders, tuck your toes, come up onto your knees, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward between your thumbs. Exhale, travel forward, step your feet behind your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up to frame your ears, extended mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, extended mountain. Exhale, hands through heart center as you forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and plant your hands. Inhale, step back to plank or modified plank. Shift forward on your toes. breath in. Exhale, hug your elbows in tight to your body as you lower all the way down to your belly. Again, you can drop your knees to the mat on your way down here. Release the tops of your feet down to the mat. Inhale, peel your chin, your chest up off the mat, baby cobra. See if you can lift your hands off the mat, really engaging through the back line of your body. Exhale, lower down, tuck your toes. Modification to come through tabletop to downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Inhale, look forward between your hands. Exhale, travel forward, walk, or take a very light hop to your forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up, extended mountain pose. Exhale, hands through heart center, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Inhale, hop back straight into plank pose. Take a big shift forward, roll onto your toes. Your shoulders go beyond your wrists. Exhale, lower down halfway and hold chaturanga. Your elbow should make a 90-degree angle. Inhale, lift your chin, send your heart forward, upward facing dog. Hips and thighs hover up off the mat. Your hands and the tops of your feet are the only things touching. Exhale, roll back, downward facing dog. Hips go high. Let's do that again. Take your modification. I'll be showing the full vinyasa. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or hop to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep up, extended mountain pose. Exhale, hands through heart center, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, hop back. This time, see if you can hop straight into chaturanga, hover and hold. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do that one more time. Your vinyasa, I'm showing the most challenging version, but take what you need. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step or hop to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep your arms up, extended mountain. Exhale, hands through heart center, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Either hop back to chaturanga or take plank and lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. That is your vinyasa flow. Tuck your knees down, take child's pose to rest. Those are all the modifications you can take in a vinyasa class. Know that you can take any variation based on how you're feeling that day. If you'd like to try this out in one of my power vinyasa classes, I will link them below. Feel free to save this class and come back to it as a reference whenever you need a refresher. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.